Hello everyone. Have you heard of IIT Ram? Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. So let me introduce to our institute. Institute of Infrastructure, Technology, Research and Management, located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Myself Ankita, a second year BTech student from Electrical Department and also the student coordinator of Alumni Relations Cell of our institute. I personally came to know about this institute from my JEE mentor during my IIT JEE preparation. At first I wasn't much sure about my choice, but these past 2 years have never made me question my choice. The students here, how they live with each other, how they are always ready to help each other is an incredible experience. The environment here is very friendly and will never make you feel miss out. And about ragging, one of the biggest problem, it is banned here. You will never ever experience that. It's strictly banned. And now coming to the academic part, the professors here, they are highly qualified and they themselves are graduated from one of the top-notch universities like University of Virginia, IITs, etc. Many of our students have cleared one of the difficult exams like GATE without any coaching, just by the guidance of our faculty under AIR 8. It was only possible with the support and guidance of our faculty. Along with this, many of our former students are placed at top firms like Amazon, Rolls-Royce, etc. Also, many of our alumni have their own well-established startups like Battery OK by Shubham Mishra, Rudra Bots, etc. And many are at top positions in government sector like IES and many more. The Career Development Cell of our institute offers various opportunities, whether it be in internships or placements. Top-notch companies like Adani, Micron visit our institute during placement drives. The Career Development Cell also offers industrial internship programs during summer for the students of every year. Artificial intelligence, aerial robotics, cyber security and cryptography, drone technology are the fields where the center of excellence of our institute lies. Talking about my own department, the Control Systems Lab, it is highly equipped with advanced machineries which are used in research purposes or any experimental purposes. And beyond academics, this institute offers a vibrant campus life including variety of clubs like Sky Club for sports, Daitwa, a social initiative, and Avish for music. And it also offers an opportunity for forming new clubs of your own interest. There are cultural events, technical events which are held annually in the institute. There are seminars held periodically for the guidance of students like placement talks and also in the research field. So if you are one of the students thinking about getting admission into this institute, without any second thought, I would say you should go for it.